Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use insert function dialog box to enter formula in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So simply select the cell and here I show you two different ways to insert function dialog box. The first way, just go to the formulas tab and click on the insert function option and that's it. Here you can see the insert function dialog box is open. And the second way, simply click on this formula bar. You can see here the one icon, the insert function. Then click on this icon and here you can see the same dialog box is open, insert function. In insert function dialog box, the first option is a search for a function. Just enter the function. Suppose I want to search the sum, then enter the sum, then click on the go. And here you can see the list of sum function is showing here. Simply select those you want and click on OK. That's it. Okay. And the second way, or select a category. Just click on this arrow and here you can see different category of function is available. The financial category, date and time related function category, statistical, lookup and reference. Suppose I select date and time. And you can see the all date related function list here searched. Simply select it and click on OK to apply the function. Okay. So here I just click on enter the sum and click on the go and select here the sum function, then click on the OK. And here you can see the function arguments dialog box is open for sum function. The first option, number one, select the range of data. Just click on this arrow and click the select of the range of column. Okay. Then click on this arrow and here you can see the preview of amount also showing. After that, the formula result also here showing the 4305.39. After that, click on the OK and that's it. Here the sum total amount is calculated. Okay. So this is the way you can use the insert function dialog box and you can apply any function with the any category and you can use these function arguments dialog box also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.